In this video, we are going to learn how to update to newer versions of Docker images. Docker images are updated for a variety of reasons, including security and performance. It is important to keep your Docker images up to date. The latest images contain critical security fixes and vulnerability patches. Newer versions often include optimizations and bug fixes that can improve performance. To check the current image version, use the command Docker images. This lists all local Docker images with their tags and versions. To download the newest version of the specified image from Docker Hub, use the command Docker pull, followed by the image name and tag. For example, Docker pull Nginx. Latest downloads the latest version of the Nginx image. To update a running container with a new image, first stop the container using the command Docker stop, followed by the container name, for example, Docker stop my container. Next, remove the old container using the command Docker rm, followed by the container name, for example, Docker rm my container. Now create and start a new container with the updated image using the command Docker run name, followed by the container name and image name with tag. For example, Docker run name my container Nginx. Latest creates and starts a new container with the updated Nginx image. If you are using Docker Compose, first pull the updated images using the command Docker Compose pull. Then, recreate the containers with the new images using the command Docker Compose up, force recreate. To free up disk space after updating, remove unused images using the command Docker image prune. This command removes all dangling images. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.